guys, I welcome you today to Smart Money AI. All I do here is to create videos on how best you can make money online. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, leave a comment and also share so that the algorithm will detect the best things that we are doing here. So today I come to your screens once again to bring you another opportunity through which you can make up to $500 or $1,000 every week just by making video calls or texting on your smartphone. Incredible, right? Without wasting my time, let's dive in. All right, guys, so as you can see, I'm on a site here. I will leave a description in the comment section, and also I'll leave a link in the description section of the video, and also the comment section. I'll pin the link there so you can just hop on and go to this site, right? Really amazing, and you're gonna love it. But since it's a very new something, guys, and people are already making lots of money from this site, I've actually evaluated about 10 types of these sites, and with time I'll bring them all one after the other. So if you are lucky to come across this video today, I beg you, be thankful. Make sure you stay with me till the end, because I'm gonna hold your hand, help you to create an account, do all the necessary requirements, and then you will start receiving payment as soon as possible. So once you come on this site, please, we are going to create your account. I already have an account in which I've made almost $600, but because I want to introduce it to you, let me show you. Here, when you go to the site or when you click on the link, it will bring you to this site, or you will see this interface. You say connect instantly with cyber friends, right? Sign up and call cyber friends. See, it's already telling you to connect with cyber friends. We are not going to choose that. Trust me, you don't want to choose that. But click on become a cyber friend, right? Now, this is the whole drill. There are two types of people there. There are the callers and also the receivers. So you want to become a cyber friend. So people will call you and then you will be making money. As simple as ABCD. So my dear ladies, if you are seeing this, be happy, because you know these types of styles, it really work very much for the ladies, trust me. So let's click on become a cyber friend, and then we take it from there, right? Okay. Okay, so this is the interface you get. Let's read something here. It say what? Get started, sign up, update your profile, and wait for the approval. Interest, add your interest using different hashtags and pay rates. Callers find you by interest. Earn money, be online to accept call requests and start earning money. Grow, share on social media to attract more clients and followers. Right, guys, it's a serious something, and you don't have to joke with this. An opportunity for everyone, no degree or certificate needed. You must have a good internet connection and camera, be passionate about what you do, be 18 years and above, have a good smile, and be friendly. Wow, so let's get in. Guys, look at how they make their payments. It's so incredible, and you will love this. You see, you can receive your payment through bank transfer or PayPal, right? Okay, so now we are about to create the account, right? So here it's saying first name, so let me enter my first. I don't know if they will accept because I already have an account though, but I'm doing this because of you guys. So the email, let me use Stanley Ochre 36. Let me use 36. So the password, as usual, when I'm making any tutorial, this is what I choose. So let me choose the same thing, but don't try hacking me because it won't work. Yeah. Okay, so here you click on yes, here too you accept, and then you click on sign up now. Okay, so you have to go to your email to confirm what they will send you, right? So let me go to my email and we will all confirm. I don't want to save this, right? Okay. Okay, guys, so I'm in my email address, my Gmail account as well, and as you can see, the message is right here, right? So this the kind of message you will be expecting when you log into your Gmail account, right? So you just have to click on it, and then you click on this link, right? You just click on that link. It's a very simple something, and trust me, you're gonna be making money. So instead of being on TikTok, being on WhatsApp, Instagram without getting paid, why don't you switch to this amazing site that okay, so thank you, your email address is confirmed, right? So how are we going to get money? You see here it's saying what? Earnings and withdraw earnings, but we don't really have anything to withdraw for now. But look at something here. There's something we need to do after you reach this section. Have you seen that? Just click on that here in blue color, and we are going to fill this form. Upload a profile picture, upload bio, blah 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 blah. Okay, so let's get started. So here you click on select image, right? And let's wait. Click on select image, right? So I actually not a photogenic type. Oh my god, let me find an image as my profile picture, right? Okay, so guys, stay with me to the end. Stay with me till the end, and don't forget to share the video, because I'm doing my best, my possible best, to always put smiles on your face. So I don't know why you don't have to subscribe to my channel actually. So let me use my big sisters. Now I don't want to be like a scammer, because if I'm to use a lady's picture, men will be calling, and you know what it means when they find out I'm not okay. You let me use it. Let me use this is my big sister, right? Let me use her pic. Let me use her pic. So on unable to complete previous operation due to low memory. Oh my god, oh my god. It seems my memory is very low. You see that? But since yours won't be low, or yours isn't low, I think when it's your turn you can do it. But okay, actually the picture I selected was a bit larger relatively. So let me see if I can select a new one. But before we come back to that, let's continue. The country, let me select my motherland, which is Ghana. So it depends on where you're watching me from. If you are not in Ghana, make sure you select your country, right? Trust me, you're gonna be making money. You'll come back to the comment section and be like, wow. So city, let me choose Accra for this. All right. Okay, so bio, um what should I choose? What should I choose? Okay, now the image section is activated. So let me select an image as my profile pic, and then we take it from there, guys. This site is really paying, oh guys. So so let me choose this picture. Let me choose this picture. Oh my god, I think I choose a pic. So what's actually happening? I don't really know what's happening, because I choose a pic. It should have reflected. Okay, I actually need anything to. Okay, let me use my daughter's pic to see. All right, let's pray this one gets selected. If it's okay, unable to, still unable to complete. I actually don't have much memory on my phone. So but when it's your turn, or when you're doing your own, make sure you choose a profile picture, right? Okay, so Ghana, city, Accra, state. So what's this Alabama doing here? I don't even know the. Oh my god, oh my god. So in which country is this Alabama? Is it US? Because I chose Ghana. I don't know why, but let's continue. Okay, so let me write here, lovely and friendly. It's like a social media app. Okay, so gender. The gender is sorry, I'm a male actually. So here you can choose any date of your choice, but please make sure you are choosing a date that will tell them you are more than 18 years, right? So you can choose anything, like even when you choose the year 2000, you're good to go, right? I wasn't born in the year 2000 though. I was born around somewhere 1981. Yeah, so look at something here. Here you are going to um, make your charges, how you'll be charging clients for calling you. So if you are in the cooking niche, you'll be getting 0.15 USD dollar per minute. If you're in the travel niche, 0.2 per minute. Technology, zero. So let's go for travel, right? Aim for a mix of familiar unique interests. Descriptive tax help. Okay, so let's choose travel. Okay, so let's choose traveling. So traveling, if you are active, you'll be getting like um how should I go, $0.1 per minute. When people call you, just imagine, guys, you just imagine, oh my god. And people are going to load their accounts to call you. So for the tax, let me tag like adventure, Dubai. Yeah, cause people really enjoy in Dubai. um Holiday, some things like this. All right. Okay, then language, let me choose English, right? I hope you've really seen okay, type for a language. I said English, so oh my god. Oh, what is it saying? English. Select language. English already exists. Okay, meaning English has already been selected. So let me delete this Africans, right? So after you are done with all these sections, you filled all of them, you click on submit, right? You have not completed all the required data. For being able to accept calls, click here to find. All right, so the only problem now here is okay, let me select capture from your camera, and then I'll take a picture of anything I lay hands on here. Let me just take a picture of this woman here. Okay, but the camera isn't all that good, but I just need something to represent something, right? So let's pray this one works out. And um okay, it's still giving me same problem, so let's move on. So provided you are done with your own, you get a congratulation message here, right? You get a congratulations message here, and as you can see, for now I have 0.00. You see here, this is where you'll be accepting your course, and this is where you will be getting notifications. And once you have done filling all these sections, trust me, it will take 1 to 2 business days for them to verify all your document, because they don't want scam and do stuff. But trust me, things are going to happen here. You can link up, so you can click on this menu, right? That thing, and then look at something here. Here you will see your dashboard, your account info, accept calls, your profiles, your page options, your photo gallery, meaning you can actually be uploading pictures onto this site for people to, you see that. Now go to tips, and I'll show you something. Guys, make use of this site, and you're going to be making money, right? You do not have completed blah 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 blah. Other than that, you have seen the monetize something there, right? Withdraw earnings. If you have money, that's where you will withdraw it. I'm actually using PayPal, but PayPal isn't accepted in Ghana, so I use a friend's account in Kenya. I withdraw to him, and then he send my money to me. So whatever, if you need, or you get a problem on how you can withdraw, you can link up to me. Thank you very much, guys. I hope this video is going to change your online life. You have to stop buying data bundle every day with your money. It's time for you to be making money online. Thank you, guys. See you another time. Bye bye.